Hi. It's me with my mad father, part 3, with my friend Maria. She's staying tonight. We're gonna try making some more progress here. I totally did not cheat, and I don't know what to do now. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the screw out, but you're a weirdo. I think I go this way. To the reception. There you go. Okay. Alright, now I got a knife. Maria,
he won't stand.
Hiya. Now I go to the bathroom. Okay, that's all I looked up, I promise.
She always promises things there. She can't. Oh, it's not true, people.
Now I have an empty lighter and oil. I don't remember what else to do. Crap. Oh. Snowball. Die, Snowball. You're useless, for God's sake.
You really put Snowball in there?
I didn't really, but I would have.
You tried the words, yeah. Snowball would be so useless. It sounds like somebody's choking on something.
I know.
What if the dog could eat Snowball?
What did I do? What? What is this? I was just clicking randomly. Huh. But you have a lighter, ma'am.
Quick. She doesn't know how to use it. She's just a 10-year-old girl.
The
I just put my hand in your trash can.
Whoa! Hello. Check. Back off. Ooh. That was scary. Check that. Hello. Take the wrath of my lighter. Check.
Empty lighter, you retard.
Oh, it's empty?
Yes.
Oh. How do I get the fluid? I never noticed it says empty on there. Holy crap. How would I get the fluid? Is it somewhere like hidden or something?
It's probably by that fire. You need lighter for the fire.
Yeah. Go back in here.
Is that it on the table? You're putting sweet on the table.
No, it's just too big. Yeah. This? That's a crow.
That's a crow?
Yes.
Jeez, just looks like a ball of black something.
We probably need like. We probably need like a stove. Like we have to do something with the stove or whatnot. Screw off, bud.
Is this like a Japanese name?
I don't know.
I like Japanese.
I got my Japanese. It's fun to learn. Oh, it's fun. So that's how you roll.
How? I got a restricted call too. Hello there. I love fucking people. I'm sorry, but I do not, ma'am, I do not work at Pizza Hut. I work at Papa John's. Get your facts straight. You called the wrong number. work at Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut can screw its cat, okay? You know what? I hope Pizza dies in a fire. Burn your son. He'll probably get out of nowhere. No promise number again.
Ew! A rat corpse! A bird corpse! I found a rat and a bird corpse. That's disgusting!
Actually, you're right to complain. You should get your money back because you just found a rat's ass in the backyard, so, you know. Probably got eaten by a cat. Yes, sir. For what? What about your son's school? I'm sorry, but literally you sound like a 9-year-old little brat, okay? You can't have a son unless you're trim. You know what, just give me your address and I'll come over there with a baseball bat until your son's better. To be honest, you sound like somebody very familiar. Are you that Japanese girl who came in yesterday? You ate dingleberries? How about you choke on some dingleberries? You suck on your own dingleberries. I bet you're sucking on your own dingleberries as we speak. I'll stop sucking on your brother's dingleberries, okay? Suck on your own butt, okay? There's war here. You want to be on YouTube? Well, you're on YouTube, kid. Yeah, your mama must be very proud of you.
Lord.
Hey, Jack, what are these called?
Huh. Fruitistas.
I am drinking a Frutista. And I can turn off my phone line. Get one. Get one, son. I love you. You tried to complain 3 times already. Just be quiet and get to your damn food. Me too. I'm from England land. I'm on Chiquito Dairy Line in England. Oh, mijo, mijo, ho, ho. I'm sorry, but I do not talk to Indian people, so
Sorry, yeah, you're being too loud.
Yeah, I'm being loud.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's on again.
How the hell am I supposed
I
to
usually
get?
comply with phone calls like that.
I never get prank calls besides that little bit.
Who called you?
Her?
That girl? Who is she?
Brianna.
Where did she have my number?
I guess.
Bro, I didn't put her on Facebook. She must have called my sister for the number.
How the
That's
hell?
what Diana did.
Okay. Okay, you know what? Wait, what are you doing? Okay. Is this the kitchen?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Said there's oil or something like that in the kitchen. This is the cafeteria. So this is the kitchen. Yeah, it'd be under here, but I can't get in there.
You tried.
Shit. Damn it. Can I get it from the freaking stove? It's weird.
Gobbling up some.
Okay, let's go. I forgot which way the bedroom is. I think it's this way.
You just talk to yourself, okay?
Yeah.
How many people enjoy it if those who are watching you?
It's fun to watch me talk to myself.
I subscribe to you, so.
You did? Huh. Thanks. I guess.
I'll be shocked.
I'll go this way. Bedroom, there we go. I totally did not cheat. Chat.
Yeah, you guys should shut off the camera and look at the cheat sheet.
Yeah.
You know, and chill out in the back and watch some shows on
Okay. I don't need to go in that.
I enjoy watching Japanese cartoons, like I said. It shows like, oh, something. Ooh, interesting. It's really fun. I started watching, remember Sailor Moon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I started watching it Japanese. It's a whole different perspective.
Hmm.
It's like, English is about finding bad guys. Japanese one is about finding love. Maybe some different, huh? Nah, you don't know nothing.
Try to read the flame egg. Okay. Ooh, what is this?
A cookie.
Code memory. Alright. What are you doing there?
Is that a naked girl? With a back?
What is this? Ooh, he's a killer.
Who is that? That? Well then, I feel to this coming to you. Hello.
Ooh, this is weird. Got some lungs, little girl. There's Puncher.
Hello.
I'm gonna save.
What are you doing there, Jasmine?
Okay. I guess I
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Again. Oh, because I keep shaking the phone. Look.
Oh, you're a dork. Ah!
Hello there.
Is that it? Wait. Wow. Smells like mom.
Smells like what?
Mom.
I know, that's what I just said.
It smells like mom. This
I know,
is
that's what I said.
mom's perfume.
Wow.
Alright, I almost have to end it, so hope you guys enjoyed. You can watch this little flashback as long as it stays. So, bye.
Marunashine. Only Mari knows.